the print and electronic media, intellectual journalism persons. So this is related to Krishna University All India Inter-University Netball Women Tournament 25-26. First of all, we are thanking the All Indian Universities for giving the wonderful opportunity to conduct this event under umbrella of Krishna University. We already given press note to you. There around 88 teams are going to participate. ఆల్ ఇండియా టోర్నమెంట్ అయిపోయాక ఖేలో ఇండియా ఉంటుంది, ఏషియన్ లెవెల్లో ఉంటుంది, టోటల్ వరల్డ్ ఇంటర్నేషనల్ లెవెల్లో కూడా ఉంటాయి. దీన్ని బట్టి అక్కడ కూడా సెలెక్ట్ చేస్తారు. అంటే ఇది ఒక ఆల్ ఇండియాతో స్టాప్ కాదు, అక్కడి నుంచి మళ్ళీ ఏషియన్ గేమ్స్, ఒలింపిక్స్, ఇది ప్రొసీజరు. దీని గురించి కొత్తగా ఖేలో ఇండియా ప్రోగ్రాంలో మళ్ళీ ప్రపోజల్స్ అడిగారు. రీసెంట్గా మనం ఒలింపిక్స్ ఎన్నైతే విన్ అయ్యామో ఆ టీంలో ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ని సపోర్ట్ చేయడానికి ఖేలో ఇండియా సెంటర్ ఆఫ్ ఎక్సలెన్స్ అనే ప్రాజెక్టులు అడిగారు. అది కూడా అప్లై చేస్తున్నాం. బట్ ఆల్రెడీ బేసిక్ ఇన్ఫ్రాస్ట్రక్చర్ కోసం 39 crores ఆల్రెడీ పైప్ లైన్లో ఉంది. అండ్ రిగార్డింగ్ ఇనాగరల్ ఫంక్షన్, the guests are going to grace the occasion. Our Honorable Sri Nara Lokesh Garu, Honorable Minister Human Resource Development, Information Technology, Communication and Real-Time Governance, he will grace the occasion as chief guest. Then Sri M. Ramprasad Reddy Garu, Honorable Minister Transport, Sports and Youth, Government of Andhra Pradesh. He will be the main guest of honor because concerned minister related to the sports and youth activities. And Sri Kollu Ravindra Garu, as you know, Krishna University catering the needs of Krishna district, NTR district and Elur district. And the other two ministers also we have invited, kindly they accepted. Sri Kollu Ravindra Garu, Honorable Minister Mines, Geology and Excise, Government of Andhra Pradesh, and Kolsu Padasad Garu, Honorable Minister Housing, Information, Public Relations, Government of Andhra Pradesh. See, in addition to that, we are going to start some NTR PG centers, supporting other people like our MP Sivanath Garu, Yarlagad Venkatrao Garu, Bonda Umamesra Garu, Government Whip, and Vallabhanen Balsauri Garu, our Member of Parliament, he is also supporting our university like anything. And also the local MLA Gadde Rammohan Rao Garu. So these are the from the political side, the participants in the event as a guest of honor. Then distinguished guests, our APSI chairman Madhumurthy Garu, also the chancellor of the IIITs, and Sri Kon Sasidhar Garu IAS, Honorable Secretary to Government Higher Education Department. Both are going to participate as a distinguished guest. And also our Collector District Magistrate G. Lakshmi Shagaru and Bharani Madam, Vice Chairman, Managing Director SAP, as well as Chairman Sri Animin Ravinayar are also going to participate tomorrow event. And also local corporator, 10th Division corporator Srimati Devineni Aparna Madam Garu going to participate. Anyway, from Krishna University, we are our entire family is taking the logistics. I am once again thanking especially the physical director family of Krishna University. So they are taking all the logistics right from since applying this particular event.